Hello friends, today I am going to explain about the theory of equations remaining questions. I have completed two videos. Video 1 I have explained concepts and 2 mark questions. In video 2 I have completed 7 mark questions. And previous video I have completed about the roots are in AP and the roots are in GP. Such questions I have explained. And today I am going to explain about the synthetic division formulas questions. And if the questions like this given, it is the first question and it is the second question. Okay, to find these to solve these equations, we have to find it is a reciprocal equation or not. We have to check it. To check reciprocal equations, we have to check the first and last coefficients without sign. Here this is x power of 4 coefficient is a 1 and this is also 1. It is a 10 and it is a 10, so that it is a reciprocal equation. And same here also, here x power of 5 coefficient is a 1 and here also 1, 5 5 4 4. So both equations are reciprocal equations. After getting this, we have to classify the equations like class 1, class 2, like okay, to check it is a class 1 or not, we have to write first it is a first coefficient, it is a second, it is a third, it is a fourth and it is a fifth. So total 5 coefficients are there here, 5 terms are there here. So it is a A0, A1, A2, A3, A4, A5. Okay, to find class 1, AK equals to AN minus K. If they are equals, then it is a class 1 equation. So where K equals to 0, 1, 2 up to N. Here N is depends on this value, degree of the equation. And next it is about class 1. And to check class 2, AK equals to AN minus of AN minus K, where K equals to 0, 1, 2 up to N. Same here also, this N also depends on the degree of the given equation. And next term, the given question, first and second questions, we have to check which is a class 1 and which is a class 2. Okay, let I am taking K equals to 3. K equals to 3 in the first equation I am taking. I am checking first equation is a class 1 or not. To check, we have to substitute in the class 1 only. Okay, in substitute I am substituting in the first equation A3. Here N is a 4th degree equation, so it is a 4th degree equation, so that N place in I am writing 4 minus K is a 3. So A3 equals to A1. Here A3 equals to minus 10 equals to A1 equals to also minus 10, so that it is a class 1 equation. And to check second one, it is a class 1 or not. Okay, to check is it is a class 1 or not, let them substituting in the same equation. First I am going to substitute in the first class 1 equation formula. Okay, class 1 means we have to change your minus sign only, and N equals to what here, 5 is there. Okay, 5 minus 3 is that equals to 2, and A3 equals to your minus 9 is there, and A2 equals to plus 9 is there. Okay, these two are not equals. That's why we have to substitute in the second formula. We have to substitute in the second formula. What is the second? Minus is there. When you take your minus, here also minus gets, and here also minus, both 9s. And here A3 and A2 is a minus 9. Both minus 9 and minus 9 we are getting, so that it is a class 2 equation. I am substituting in the class 2 equation formula, so that it is a class 2 equation. So second one is a class 2. Okay, after getting class 1 and class 2, and next term, a class 1 equation which degree is odd, then its root is a minus 1. A class 2 equation, its root, its degree is even, then 1 comma minus 1. Class 2 equation, it's a odd degree, then it is a 1. So it is a odd degree, so that it has a first root is a plus 1. Okay, with the help. Okay, now the given question is a reciprocal equation and its a degree is a 4, so that we can solve by taking the x square with, I am dividing here this complete equation, I am dividing with x square, then it comes x power of 4 by x square minus 10 x cube by x square plus 26 x square by x square minus 10x by x square plus 1 by x square. I am dividing with completely equation with x square. Okay, here x square gets cancelled, here x square gets cancelled, here x square gets cancelled, square and x gets cancelled, here there is no cancel, and here 2 more x's will be left here, so that x square we can write minus here x square gets cancelled, means 1 more x is left here, so that 10x plus here x square completely cancelled, so that only the number 26 is left, and here x and x gets cancelled, means 1 more x left in the denominator, so that 10 by x we can write, and here 1 plus x square equals to 0. Here x square term there, here 1 by x square term there, but when you compare power of the x, we have 2 and here also we have 2, so that 2 I am taking together, x square plus 1 by x square, and this is x term and this is x, so that here minus is also common there, so that I am taking minus 10, I am taking common, x plus 1 by x will be left here, plus finally 26 is left, equals to 0. Let I am taking here x plus 1 by x is a t, x plus 1 by x equals to t. Let I am taking x plus 1 by x equals to t. Okay, this value I am going to substitute in this equation. Before that, x square plus 1 by x square value is a what? We have to check it. When you square on both sides, or else we have a formula, a square plus b square equals to a plus b whole square minus 2ab form. This formula I am going to substitute to get x square plus 1 by x square value. It is like a square plus b square. Okay, x square plus 1 by x square value, here x plus 1 by x whole square minus 2 into a equals what here, x, and b equals 1 by x. This value is x plus 1 by x value is a t, so that it becomes t square. Here x gets cancelled, minus 2 will be left. This is the value of x square plus 1 by x square. This value I am going to substitute here. T square minus 2 minus 10 of this value we know, that is t, plus 26 equals to 0. After getting this, t square minus 2 minus 10 into t, minus 10t plus 26 equals to 0. And next t square minus 10t, 26 minus 2, that becomes 24. T square minus 10t, 26 minus 2 is equals to 24, equals to 0. After getting this, we have to factorize. So to factorize here, t minus 6 into t minus 4 equals to 0. When you add these two numbers, we have to get middle term, and when you product them, we have to get a plus 24. Last term we have to get such terms we have to take. And next t minus 6 equals 0 comma t minus 4 equals to 0. Then t equals to 6 and t equals to 4. After getting these values, we have to substitute in x plus 1 by x. In that we have to substitute x plus 1 by x equals to 6. T equals to 6. And next x plus 1 by x equals to 4. When you multiply here x into x, x square plus 1 by x equals to 6. X when you send this side, x square plus 1 equals to 6x. 6x when you take left side, that comes x square minus 6x plus 1 equals to 0. After getting this, to get x value, we have a formula x equals to minus b plus or minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. In this formula, we have to substitute x equals to minus b is nothing but 6. Which 6? Minus 6 is there, so that minus of minus, that plus 6 will come. Minus 6 square, 36 minus 4 into a equals to 1 and 1 into 1 by 2 into 1. So finally x equals to 6 plus or minus root over 36 minus 4. 36 minus 4 is a 32 over 2. This is about x value. Same way we have to substitute there. When you multiply them here, x square plus 1 equals to x equals to 4. X square plus 1 equals to 4x. X square minus 4x plus 1 equals to 0. Same formula we have to apply. X equals to minus of minus 4, that become plus 4. Plus or minus 4 square is a 16 minus 4 into 1 by 2 into 1. Finally x equals to 4 plus or minus 16 minus 4 is a 12. And finally we got x equals to 4 plus or minus root 12 by 2. Second question, solve 2x power 5 plus x square, x power 4 plus minus 12x cube minus 12x square plus x plus 2 equals 0. Okay, it is a odd degree equation and we have to check it is a class 1 or class 2, we have to check again. So to check class 1 and class 2, it is a A0, A1, A2, A3, A4, A5. Let I am substituting k equals to, in this formula I am substituting k equals to 2, I am going to substitute. So whatever it may be, you can substitute k place in any number, and it is a fifth degree polynomial equation, so that 5 minus k is a 2, a2 equals to a3. Here a2 is a minus 12 and a3 also minus 12, so that it is also class 1 equation, but it is a odd degree equation. Class 1 and odd degree equation means we can get the root of the equation is minus 1. It is a class 1 equation and odd degree equation, so that it's a degree, first root is a minus 1. So with the minus 1 we are going to find first by synthetic division method. I'm converting into fourth degree equation. So coefficients I'm taking here 2, 1, negative 12, negative 12, 1, 2. I said already degree is its root is a minus 1, I said, because it is a class 1 reciprocal equation, it's a odd degree, so that we are getting minus 1 is a one of the root. So first we have to take here 0, 2 plus 0 is a 2, we can get here 2 into minus 1 is a minus 2. When you do it's a simplification, 1 minus 2 is a minus 1, minus 1 into minus 1, that is a plus 1. 12 minus negative 12 plus 1 is a negative 11. Negative 1 into negative 11 is a plus 11. minus 12 plus 11, that is minus 1, minus of minus plus, and 1 1's a 1 only, so 1 plus 1 2, minus 1 into 2 is a minus 2, so the remainder is 0, because here minus 1 is the root of the given equation. When you substitute that value, we will get the remainder is always 0. Okay, now it is a 5th degree equation. Now it becomes 4th degree equation, so that it comes as 2x power 4 minus x cube minus 11x square minus x plus 2 equals to 0. Just we have to decrease 1 degree here. Okay, after getting this, we have to divide with x square. Previous question like we have to do as it is. Okay, and first of all, 2x square x power 4 by x square minus x cube by x square minus 11x square by x square minus x by x square plus 2 by x square equals to 0. And next we have to do cancellation. Here x. Okay, after getting here we can get 2x square, and here we can get x, and here no x will be left. Here 1 by x plus 2 by x square equals to 0. After getting this, square terms we have to take together. 2 of x square plus 1 by x square, and next x terms also, but x terms before minus some symbol is there, so that we are taking x minus as a common. Minus 11 equals to 0. After getting this, x plus 1 by x equals to t we have to take. After getting this, x square plus 1 by x square equals to x plus 1 by x whole square minus 2x into 1 by x. Previous a square plus b square equals to a plus b whole square minus 2ab. That formula I am applying here. X gets cancelled. Finally it becomes, it is a value of t. X plus 1 by x is a t, so that t square minus 2 we will get. This value I am going to substitute here. 2 of t square minus 2 minus this value is a t minus 11 equals to 0. And next this value I am going to substitute here, simplify here. 2 into t square is a 2t square, and 2 2's a minus 4, and this is a minus t minus 11 equals to 0. And next 2t square minus t minus 4 and minus 11, that is minus 15 equals to 0. And when you product here, 2 15 times is a 30. So like that, when you split the middle term, that 2 terms of product should be 30, and middle, when you sum them, we will have to get middle term. So such numbers we have to take. 2t square minus 6t plus 5t minus 15 equals to 0. When you simplify this, we will get this. When you product them, the product of the first and last terms. Okay, when you factor these two, 2t is a common, then one more t is left here, and here 3 will be left here. Same as this t minus 3 I am taking here. Okay, in 3w it comes 5 times, so minus of minus plus it comes. T minus 3 of 2t plus 5 equals to 0, and t minus 3 equals 0, and here 2t plus 5 equals to 0. Next t equals to 3, here t equals to minus 5 by 2 we can get here. Next t value, what is t value? X plus 1 by x, that we have to substitute. X plus 1 by x equals to 3, and next it is x plus 1 by x equals to minus 5 by 2. When you simplify here, x square plus 1 by x equals to 3, x square plus 1 equals to 3x, x square 3x, when you send left side, 3a minus 3x plus 1 equals to 0. When you factorize with formula, x equals to minus b plus or minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. That formula I am going to apply. Minus of minus plus will come. 3 square 9 minus 4 into 1 into 1 by 2 into 1. So find x equals to 3. 9 minus 4 is a 5, plus or minus root 5 by 2. Similarly, we can solve that also to get x values. 2 more x values we can get. Already we got here 1 and here 2. For this also we can get 2. Total 5 roots we have to get, because it is a fifth degree equations.